think about accounting, what will come into your mind? Complicated calculations, various graphs, or just numbers? These are all impressions of financial market, a key but not entire component of accounting. Accounting also interacts with economic and political factors. Kurosawa firstly used the term accountics to emphasize the political economy aspect of accounting. This concept is particularly significant in current trend of international accounting standardization. The process of International Financial Reporting Standards, or IFRS, being introduced to 131 jurisdictions. In the paper of Accountics, Impacts of Internationally Standardized Accounting on the Japanese Social Economy, Professor Suzuki from Oxford University explored the concept of accountics in the case study. This case study mainly focuses on the dissemination of internationally standardized accounting to Japan after the Second World War. From traditional perspective, the key issue here is financial market efficiency. However, through the lens of accountics, our perspective is enlarged. Now we can see centralized institutional and legal arrangements, rhetorical use of language, and even military considerations. It is found that the process started from the United States Strategic Bombing Survey, who demanded information of Japanese national economy, but only got unintelligible delineations. Furthermore, experts from US and Japan turned to companies to collect raw data, but still there was no reliable information, because at the time, the majority of Japanese economy is controlled by zaibas or conglomerates, whose information is a well-kept secret from outsiders. Therefore, statisticians and accountants from US and Japan initiated reforms at two levels: the national income accounting reform at macro level and corporate accounting reform at micro level. Professor Suzuki summarized that the national income accounting reform is for the macroeconomic management purpose. During this reform, Japanese economic circulation and the trend of industrial companies were firstly visualized off the wall. Corporate accounting reform intended to provide micro foundation to macro purpose with standardized regulations. This picture is the first standardized profit and loss statement and balance sheet. However, this Keynesian-rooted process once experienced strong objection from the Marxist economists. The reformers won the debate by using words like accuracy, coherence, comparability, which acclaims basic righteousness hard to refute. Also, centralized institutional settings like statistical committee and statistic law facilitated a few reformers to implement new policies. Accountants also tried to copy the arrangements in corporate accounting reform, but their project miscarried. Finally, national income accounting re-educated the public to be conscious of social and economic surroundings. It enhanced government's accountability to the public. Simultaneously, new accounting standards also increased corporate accountability to stockholders and government. In conclusion, this paper inspires future studies to compare the benefits and costs of internationally accounting standardization beyond capital market, and to rethink the impacts of adoption of international accounting standards. From this paper, we know that accounting can go far beyond the capital market, embracing issues of politics, accountability, community, and more. As Japan's new accounting has changed the public perceptions of the role of companies and the economy, the perspective of accountics enables us a broader view. This video is presented by Sigrid. Thank you for watching.